Hey, how you doing, man?
Oh, could be better.
All right. Let's see what you got.
You know, I've had to call you guys for a car before. Never in a parking.
Oh, yeah?
First time for everything, man.
Well, hey, I mean, at least we do both.
Yeah. On a Sunday, I'm real lucky. It's just this.
All
I was
right.
just walking out the door to have it to flick that lock and realized I have my keys.
Yeah, it happens. A lot more often than you would think.
And you guys do take card, I guess I should have asked that.
Oh, yeah. All right. There we go.
It's comfortable. One of those could just do that. It took 5 seconds.
Ah,